Can you tell which one of these is 3D printed? Trick question. Both of these on the edges are actually 3D printed, and the one in the middle is injection molded. So then why do these two look so different if they're both 3D printed? If you look closely, you'll notice that the injection molded part has a slight texture. Injection molds use what are called mold textures to help release molded parts and to hide surface imperfections. We can apply the same concept to 3D prints to achieve similar results. In the FDM world, you might already be familiar with this concept, sometimes called fuzzy skin in some slicers, which helps hide layer lines. Similarly, this mixer latch model was imported into ZBrush, where a noise texture was applied to mimic the look of the injection molded part. We also offer a free alternative to this process called Meshy, our web texturing tool. Here you can see how the model looks in preform before and after texturing, and how it shows up in the final print, which you can see a little bit clearer here on the side of the mixer latch. What will you use Meshy for? Leave some ideas down in the comments and we'll test them out and post the results. That's it for now, we'll see you in the next one.